everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be working on making spiral head pins, and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making spiral head pins. You are going to need some wire. Today I'm using this aluminum wire. It's 0.8 millimeter. I buy it in the welding section, and I use this silver aluminum wire because it doesn't tarnish. I just love it, and I can get this whole big spool for like $20, so it's worth it. I use this and it lasts me years, no joke. You're gonna need your nylon hammer. You're going to need round nose pliers. You're going to need flat or needle nose pliers. Or you can use nylon pliers. These are interchangeable. So the only thing is, if you're using flathead pliers, what I would recommend so that you don't hurt the wire is just wrap some masking tape on them, or else go with your nylon pliers because that prevents you from scarring up your wire. And you're gonna need flush cutters, wire cutters, and an anvil, and a weight to measure. Okay, I think that's everything, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna work off this spool. I am making 4 pairs of earrings, and so I want 8 of these head pins. So this is a little measuring thing I got with a scrapbooking kit, and it is 4 inches across perfectly, and so that's what I want. So I'm just going to measure my wire on here, and I'm going to cut it. And then I'm going to do that 8 times. Okay. Do that, meet me back. Okay, so I've got my 8. You're probably only going to need 2 if you're doing a pair of earrings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure on my, I'm going to try and straighten out my wire. As straight as I can get it. Okay, and I'm going to measure out 2 inches. And then I'm going to take it at the 2-inch mark, and I'm just going to bend it. Okay, so that's perfectly halfway. Okay, so you know you're going to be doing this for your earrings. I won't do all 8. I'm just going to do 2 because most people want them for 1 set of earrings, not multiple sets of earrings. So again, measure it, and at the 2 spot, just bend it. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to start that actual spiral. So you're going to take your needle nose or your round nose pliers and go to the very, very end of your wire and the end of your pliers, because you want this to be a very skinny turn. Okay, there we go. Now you see in between here, we're just going to take that and just squish that tight, tight. Okay, we're not making it overlap, but we just made it really tight. Okay, now usually to get started, I start with my flat nose pliers because the nylon doesn't hold as well, and I just start using my thumb to gently get it going. Now I'm going to grab it with my nylon pliers, and I'm just going to keep turning. Now this is a tight spiral. If you wanted to do not such a tight spiral, you could do that as well. And we're just going to use this, all this wire right up to the bend. Okay, see, and I'm just doing a nice tight spiral. Oops. And I'm using my thumb to just guide that wire. Okay, we're getting to the end here. And there you go. There is that. Now, to harden it, we're going to take our anvil, put it on the anvil, and you want to use the nylon hammer. You don't want to use the metal hammer. If you use the metal hammer, it will flatten your wire. I want to keep my wire nice and rounded, so, but I do want to toughen it up. So, I'm going to start hammering the spiral and work my way up the whole head pin, okay? So we're just going to start here, and we're just going to work our way up the head pin. Don't hammer your finger. It's not recommended. And then we're going to turn it over and do it to the other side. And then see how my wire has a bit of a curve? I can take the nylon wires and straighten that curve out. And there you go, guys. You have a spiral head pin. So, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Check my description. I put all kinds of goodies in my description. And that's it. Have a great day, guys. Bye now.